Hey everyone, Happy New Year. Welcome back to Watch Enclave. I'm Devin, and today we're checking out 20 new AliExpress watches you absolutely need to know about. Just a quick note, these aren't reviews but a rundown of what's new, exciting, and worth your attention. Let me know in the comments which ones you want me to get for a full review in the coming months. Let's jump right in. There's a lot to cover. First, we have the San Martin SN0144, a true masterpiece from San Martin featuring a Miyota 90S5 movement. What makes this special is the low temperature enamel dial inspired by the ancient porcelain designs of China. It's a perfect 39mm in diameter just like other SN0144 models. Priced at around $300, this watch strikes the perfect balance between tradition and modernity. For me, the standout is the craftsmanship in the dial. It feels like wearing a piece of art on your wrist. Next up is the latest diverse offer from Ixdao, featuring a dragon scale dial pattern with wave-like designs. It comes in green, blue, and coffee brown with a diameter of 39mm. While it's powered by the reliable NH35 movement, I wish they'd used a PT5000 or a higher beat movement to match the stunning dial design. Priced at $250, it's innovative and bold, but I hope Ixdao upgrades the movement in future versions because this dial truly deserves it. Now, joining the sand pattern dial trend is Seagull with their Natural Series Polaris sub-dial. This watch is available in vibrant colors like red, sand gray, light blue, and white. Powered by the ST17 automatic movement, it has a 40mm diameter and 50 meters of water resistance. At just $160, the 316L stainless steel bracelet and sapphire glass make this a great value. The colors are striking, but for me, the standout is the subtle Polaris sub-dial. It's such a nice touch of elegance. Here's something unique. The Welly Merck titanium watch. Despite its bulky appearance, it's lightweight thanks to its titanium case. Powered by the Miyota 8215 movement, it has a 39.5mm diameter with a lug-to-lug of 47.5mm and 100 meters of water resistance. I'm excited to see new brands like Welly Merck stepping up in the competition alongside brands like San Martin and Bultani. Priced at $170, it's a strong contender for a robust, lightweight watch. The Thorn T08 diver is inspired by the 50 fathoms and features the PT5000 movement. With a 38mm case, it looks visually larger due to its small dial and bold bezel. It offers 200 meters of water resistance, vintage superluminova, and a titanium case. Priced at around $150, the standout for me is the anti-magnetic cage inside. This is rare at this price point, and I think it adds immense value. And next, the San Martin SN0066 boasts a bi-directional bezel with a gradient dial in bold colors like orange, purple, red, and blue. Powered by the YN55 automatic movement, it has a 42mm case but compact lugs at 46.5mm, making it wearable for smaller wrists. At $225, it's a great diver, but the double crown for time adjustment and the inner bezel really make it stand out for me. Moving on, this Daniel Gman Arabic numerals watch caught my eye with positive user reviews, and its clean design and vintage style Arabic numerals available in both 39 and 31mm sizes. It's powered by a Japanese quartz movement. With various dial options and a small seconds hand, it's a versatile piece. Priced at around $100, this is a solid pick, and I'm curious to test its quality for myself. Hey, quick pause. If you are enjoying this video, consider subscribing to Watch Enclave. I love discovering and sharing these amazing timepieces with you, and your support helps me keep doing what I enjoy. Plus, you won't miss out on future watch lists and reviews. Thank you so much. Back to the list, the Cronos L6037M. is inspired by Grand Seiko and features a 39mm diameter and PT5000 movement. The textured dial comes in white or grey and it has 100 meters of water resistance. Priced at $180, the standout for me is the finishing. It's really on par with higher end brands. Every detail from the signed crown to the clasp feels premium. Despite the quirky brand name, the Octopus Kraken enamel dial watch delivers excellent build quality. With a 36mm case, it's powered by either the SW200 or PT5000 movement. The enamel dials in blue, black or salmon are beautiful and the engine turn bezel adds a unique touch. At $200, this watch is a standout for its attention to detail and value. The Thorn 50's vintage watch is inspired by Tudor's discontinued Golden Age design from the 1950s. With its 34mm case, enamel dials in striking red or black and vintage proportions. It's a treat for those who love smaller watches. The watch is just 9.5mm thick, and the bubble sapphire crystal adds a classic touch. With 100 meters of water resistance and 316L stainless steel construction, it's priced at around $150. For smaller wrists like mine, this is a perfect fit. The Sugess S457 is a mechanical chronograph featuring the ST1907 movement with a power reserve indicator. At 41mm in diameter and 11mm thick, it's impressively thin for a chronograph. It comes in colors like white, black, pink, lime green and light blue, offering something for every style. Priced at $250, this one blends functionality with elegance. My only gripe is the 21mm strap width. 20mm would have been much better. The Welly Merck textured green dial watch is an eye-catching diver with a 42mm case and 200 meters of water resistance. The green dial with an orange tip second hand is a bold and unique combination. It's powered by the Miyota 82 15 movement and has BGW9 loom, a unidirectional aluminum bezel and sapphire crystal. At $200, the vibrant green really stands out for me, and I think this is a solid contender for a stylish diver. Moving on to another Welly Merck, this quartz watch is a compact and affordable option at 36mm in diameter. It features textured dials in colors like light blue, white and green, powered by the VH31 quartz movement. With 100 meters of water resistance, sapphire crystal and a thickness under 10mm, it's priced under $50. The proportions are spot on, making this a fantastic everyday option. Another affordable pick, the Benyar mechanical watch, features a 40mm case and a wave pattern dial available in colors like light blue, yellow, white and black. It's powered by a Japanese mechanical movement and has 50 meters of water resistance. With a price under $40, this is a great entry-level option for those on the budget. The wave pattern on the dial adds a touch of flair. The Watchdives WD1860 quartz chronograph is powered by the VK63 chronograph movement and comes with 200 meters of water resistance. Available in black or white dials, it's inspired by the Speedmaster design and topped with sapphire crystal and BGW9 loom. At $115, this is a fantastic value for chronograph fans. Watchdives also updated their logo recently, and I think it looks way better now. The San Martin SN0129 diver features stunning enamel dials in combinations like white with a red bezel, black with a red bezel, and my personal favorite, grey with an orange bezel. Powered by the NH35 movement, it measures 39mm in diameter with a lug-to-lug of 46.5mm. With 200 meters of water resistance, loomed sapphire bezels and on-the-fly adjustable clasps, this is a feature-packed diver for $200. Next up, the Cronos BB54 homage with a 36mm case. This watch features snowflake hands, a matte aluminum bezel, and options for PT5000 or SW200 movements. It's water resistant to 100 meters and priced around $200. Before buying though, make sure to ask if the PT5000 has a ghost date or not. I did some research and it seems Cronos got a version of PT5000 without a date. It's great to see no date movements being used correctly. This Cronos version of CW12 features repeating hourglass of their logo texture on the dial, available in colors like red, blue and white. At 39mm in diameter with a lug-to-lug of 44mm, it's powered by either the PT5000 or SW200 movement. The watch is water resistant to 100 meters, comes with sapphire crystal and AR coating, and is priced at around $225. As of the time of recording this video, a free leather strap is included, which is always a nice bonus. Another offering from Cronos. This 36mm watch homages the Black Bay 36 with stunning sunray dials in blue, white and black. Powered by the PT5000 or SW200 movement, it features snowflake hands, 100 meters of water resistance, and sapphire crystal with AR coating. The $200 price point is well justified with its excellent finishing and proportions. Finally, something for everyone. The Rollstimi quartz tank watch, a budget-friendly gem under $30. It has a 36mm case, 47mm lug-to-lug and a wave pattern dialed in colors like blue, white and black. Powered by the VH31 quartz movement, it comes with a basic leather strap and hardlex glass. While the name might raise some eyebrows, the watch itself is a great option for those seeking affordable style. And that wraps up the list. These 20 watches offer something for every collector, from budget-friendly picks to premium designs. Let me know in the comments which watch caught your eye, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more watch content. As always, keep ticking. Stay safe.